Hello there everyone, welcome back to another video in Essay Solvers. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the properties for multiplication. There are total 7 properties for this operation. Now, let's not wait but start. Property 1, closure property. If A and B are whole numbers and A into B equals to C, then C is also a whole number. Means the multiplication of two whole numbers results in a whole number. For example, 7 into 9 equals to 63. 0 into 127 equals to 127. 12 into 169 equals to 2028. As you can see here, both the factors and the product are whole numbers. That is, the multiplication of whole numbers is a closed operation. Hence, the closure property of multiplication is verified. Property 2, commutative property. If A and B are whole numbers, then A into B equals to B into A. In the sense means, even if the factors are shifted, the product remains the same. For example, observe the following table. Even though the factors are shifted, the product is remaining the same. Thus, the multiplication is commutative. Property 3, associative property. If A, B and C are three whole numbers, then A into B into C equals to A into B into C. The common value of the product is denoted by A into B into C. For example, observe the following pattern. Here's another example. We have to multiply 7, 269 and 52. To make it easy, first multiply 7 and 52 and then multiply the product by 269. Thus, we have 7 into 269 into 52 equals to 7 into 52 into 269 equals to 364 into 269, which gives us 97,960. Property 4, multiplicative identity. The whole number 1 is such that 1 into A equals to A into 1 equals to A for every whole number A. The only number having this property is 1. For example, 3 into 1 equals to 3. 1 into 3 equals to 3 also. 202 into 1 gives us 202. 1 into 202 gives us 202 also. The result when you are multiplying a number by 1 is equal to the number itself. So 1 is the identity element to multiplication. Property 5. The whole number 0 is such that 0 into A equals to A into 0 equals to 0 for every whole number A. The number 0 is the only number with this property. For example, 145 into 0 gives us 145. 0 into 163 gives us 0. 0 into 77 gives us 77. Here's another example. You bought cookies 5 days ago and still haven't eaten any. So it can be recorded as 5 into 0 equals to 0. Here's another example. In a game of tennis, a certain person does not score any points in one match. So it could be recorded as 1 into 0 equals to 0. Since the order in which we multiply two numbers does not affect the product, we can write 1 into 0 equals to 0 and 5 into 0 equals to 0. Property 6. Distributive property. If A, B and C are three whole numbers, then A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C, or B plus C into A equals to B into A plus C into A. If instead of two numbers, we have the addition of three or more numbers, then this property also holds, that is, A into B plus C plus D equals to A into B plus A into C plus A into D, and A plus B plus C plus D into P equals to A into P plus B into P plus C into P plus D into P. If A, B and C are three whole numbers and B is greater than C, then A into B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C, and B minus C into A equals to B into A minus C into A. Like addition, the distributive property of multiplication also holds good for subtraction. Property 7. If A, B and C are whole numbers such that A is greater than B and C is not equal to 0, then A into C is greater than B into C. Consider the whole numbers 9, 5 and 14 such that 9 is greater than 5 and 14 is a number other than 0. If we multiply both 9 and 5 by 14, we have 9 into 14 equals to 126 and 5 into 14 gives us 70. Clearly 126 is greater than 70. And yeah, we learned all the 7 properties of multiplication. Be sure to hit that like button, share and subscribe with the notification bell on for more videos, and see you all next time.